Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable a feature called Offload Unused Apps and how it works on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down and tap on the App Store. Once you are here, swipe down to the very bottom and here you are going to find the option called Offload Unused Apps. So if you turn on this feature, what it does that it automatically removes the applications that you're not using for a certain time. So let's say for 2 months, 3 months, half a year, something like that. But it keeps all the documents and data of this application. So let's say you're not using, for example, just some application for longer than 3 months. Then you're searching for this app, go into the App Store because you cannot find it on your iPhone. You are downloading it again. And if you run this app, it is going to be in the same place as just 3 months ago, half a year ago. Nothing is going to be changed, but the app is going to be uninstalled. So it is a useful feature if you want to save some storage on your iPhone. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!